I fully expect this crowd to be split right down the middle for this one.
Well, John Cena really is one of the most polarizing figures in WWE history, Cole. I'm sure we'll hear plenty of cheers and boos. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Ouch! And he gets leveled. Bam! Oh, the elbow connects. Oh, and he got dropped. Reversal. Oh, Cole, look at that. Now that's how you hurt an opponent.
A bit of a test of strength here.
Oh, big elbow. That should do it.
He saw that one coming.
The quick kick.
He does it again.
What an incredible lariat. Boy, did he get dropped or what? Watch it. Oh, he got him. Sometimes when you go high risk, you crash and burn. And sometimes you knock it out of the park. And that was a perfect example of hitting it big. That's it. He's done.
He's got him covered. Cena continues to fight.
They say imitation's the sincerest form of flattery. The champ does it. The shoulders are down.
And John Cena is still going.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. Oh, man. He's got him. He was able to reverse and get out of that.
Wow. Drops another one.
Nice reversal by the champ. Oh.
He gets out of trouble there.
John Cena with the offense. Great counter. You hear how his leg connected? He's still not through.
A picture-perfect backbreaker right there. He was one step ahead on that one. He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Ooh. What a counter.
You know, it's remarkable. When did he score the pin? 2, 3.
That's it. The match is over. And here's just some of the action we saw during the match. Well, let's take a look at some of those highlights. Oh, what a spectacular match. And here are just a few of the great highlights.
Here is your winner and the new United States Champion, Kevin Owens.
New champion! I don't believe it!
And neither does the former champ who appears to be stunned and astonished.